Good morning guys. So it's my fifth day today and welcome to my new vlog. So today is my last day here in Bangkok and I'm flying back to the Philippines. Nandito na ako sa lobby ngayon na nag-check out. Update ko kayo later. So guys, nakapag-check out na tayo. Na-check na rin yung room and nabigay na rin yung security deposit. So ngayon, antayin ko na lang yung airport transfer na. So it's currently 7:30 AM in the morning and susunduin ako around 8 AM. Antayin na lang natin. Okay guys, nandito na yung sundo natin. So, papunta na dito si Kuya. Antayin na lang natin. Ito na. Ito na yung sundo natin. Ayan na siya. This is our car. Pasok na nila. Thank you. Thank you. Yan guys, nakasakay na tayo sa ating luxury car. Airport transfer going back to. Good morning. Sawadee ka. Alright guys, so we are on the way now to the airport. And pagdating doon, check-in na tayo kasi nakapag-online check-in na rin tayo. We just need to get our boarding pass, tapos check-in counter, and then roam around kapag may time pa, tapos punta tayo sa boarding gate after.
Step by step, no turning around, no going back now. So step by step, we're getting so close, ready for attack now. Step by step, no turning around, no going back now. So step by step, we're getting so close, ready for attack. Take it step by step, no matter what you do, take it to the end, where all your dreams will come true. So take it step by step, take it slowly or you lose. Never coming back, you'll never see me at the roost. Step by step, no turning around, no going back now. So step by step, we're getting so close, ready for attack now. Step by step, no turning around.
So guys, andito na tayo ngayon sa airport and nakababa na rin tayo. And ito na yung car natin, naalis na siya. Tapos nandito yung Philippine Airlines, so doon tayo sasakay.
Take now. So step by step, we're getting so close, ready for attack now. Step by step, no turning around, no going back now. So step by step, we're getting so close, ready for attack, yeah. Take it, take it, take it, take it. Take
Ito na ako ngayon sa loob and hinahanap ko na lang yung counter ng Philippine Airlines para makapag-bag drop na tayo. Let's say kung saan banda yun. Let's see. Finally guys, nakapag-check-in na tayo ng luggage and nakalagpas na rin tayo sa final security check. Ngayon, passport control naman. Update ko kayo later. Okay guys, nakalagpas na tayo ng passport control. Susuot ko lang yung salamin ko. So, maghahanap lang tayo ng pwedeng nabila ng pagkain. And then let's see. Napakaganda dito, no? Gate E ako, so doon ako sa kabila maglalakad. Hindi dito. Hanggang tayong lumayo. Gate E. Ganito. Ang ganda ng airport ng Bangkok, ang laki. Tapos ang daming variety, ang daming pwedeng mabili. So, check tayo kung ano tayo mabibili dito. Kung wala, edi good. At least tipid. Pero napakaganda dito. Naglalakad lang ako papunta sa boarding gate. Tapos kung ano man yung madaanan, let's see. So guys, since may time pa naman, kakain muna ako dito sa Burger King. Naka-order na rin ako, no? So, antayin na lang natin yung order. Grabe, isa lang masasabi ko, ang ganda-ganda ng airport ng Thailand. Napakalaki, napakaganda. Chill muna tayo dito. So guys, dumating ng order ko. Total ng binayaran ko is 450 baht. So I ordered one extra long chicken cheese bread, extra large fries, and iced latte. Eto, para di tayo antokin. Nagugutom na ako guys. So ang ganda pala ng lighting dito. Picture nga tayo. So guys, tapos na akong mag-lunch sa Burger King. Ngayon, naglalakad na lang ako para bumaba yung kinain and dumiretso na sa ating lounge. Ang cute yung guys. Oh, pogi-pogi. So ayan guys, nakakita ako ng mango sticky rice dito. This one. And ayan, nakabili na ako. Uuwihan ko yung sisi ko para matikman naman niya yung mango sticky rice ng Thailand. Ngayon, ito na, totoo na to. Nidiretso na ako sa gate natin. Ang gate natin ay E7. So, hanapin na lang natin. Okay, going down E7. E7 is here. Gate E7 is here on the left side. Let's do the walk later. Ganda ng airport nila, grabe. Pang world class. Ayan. World class. Ang world class talaga ang airport ng Thailand. Dulo pala tayo, E7 sa dulo. I got it.
Ano yung ka? Dalawa? Dalawa? Alam mo. Pero
Guys, nakikita ko na yung plane natin. Dumating na. Ayan na, sasakyan natin plane. Philippine Airlines. And here na tayo. Ayun na yung plane natin. Kita ko na. E7. E7. We are going home. And Cici, this is your mango sticky rice. And ito na yung plane natin. Dumating na siya. Philippine Airlines. Ayan. Sakto lang yung baba natin sa boarding gate natin. Ayan. Oh, there's a queue downstairs. here? An update guys, nandito na ako ngayon sa boarding gate natin and anytime soon tatawagan na tayo para mag-board. So, excited na ako umuwi and at the same time, mamimiss ko ang Thailand dahil napakaganda talaga dito. So, sana next time na balik ko dito may kasama na ako, no? Kasi ang hirap ng solo travel, you don't have a company with you. Wala rin magpipicture sa'yo, so ayun. Pero, masaya. It's one for the book and I was able to conquer doing solo traveler. So, ayun. Gets naman.
May you to fly back to your home.
Guys, nakalagpas na tayo ng border scan. Now we are about to board the plane. Going back to the Philippines.
Ja, echt nicht mehr. Size die Smart machen.
Dakol na yung ilang nila eh.
Das war so lang.
Ay, okay bro.
Ano masabi?
Okay.
Alauna, alas 2 na sa atin yun.
Hi, good afternoon. Hi, this aisle on the right side. Thank you. Welcome aboard, sir. Hi, good afternoon. Next aisle, sir. Turn right. Hi, good afternoon. Go right. Thank you. Next aisle on the right. Sir.
Wala na lang mag-radio. Mag-record na.
Alright guys, so we finally boarded the plane and then later on, take off na rin. So, see you guys in the Philippines after 4 hours.
I see what he loves about you. You're so perfect. Hope you know that you got everything. I messed up and I'm haunted. And if I'm being honest, I try to make it all stop. Say I'm okay, but I'm not. No, I can't help it. I'm so jealous of you taking that place that is hard. It should be me, but it's not. Wish I could care less, but I'm so jealous of you. Fighting, but no matter what I do, crying while you're lying in this room, trying, but it's hard to hide the truth. I'm jealous, I'm jealous, I'm jealous. I see what he loves about you. You're so perfect. Hope you know that you got everything. I messed up and I'm haunted. And if I'm being honest, I try to make it all stop. Say I'm okay, but I'm not. No,
Okay guys, so we finally landed here in the Philippines and it's currently 6:45 p.m. na ng gabi and nakuha ko na rin yung luggage ko. So ngayon, magbubook na lang ako ng ride going home and then pagka uwi magpapahinga na. So thank you so much sa pagsama sa akin sa journey nito and see you on my next vlog.